how to cancel Super Duolingo free trial. So if you want to cancel your Super Duolingo free trial, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Duolingo application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. And from the profile, you need to go with settings, which will be in the top right. Go with the gear-shaped icon. Now if you scroll down, then in my case, I've not taken a Super Duolingo free trial. But if you have taken your trial or if you have some subscriptions, then here on the bottom of the account section, here on the bottom, between the account and the support section, you will find an option of manage subscription. So you just need to simply tap on manage subscription. If you have a subscription, it will show the option. But in my case, I don't have the subscription yet. Once you tap on it, it will show all of your current plans. Like if you have taken a free trial, it will show you a free trial. You can either pause your subscription or you can cancel your subscription. So if you want to cancel your Super Duolingo free trial, then you can just simply tap on cancel, and then it will ask you why you are canceling your Super Duolingo. So give a reason or select a reason and then go with continue, which will be in the bottom of your screen. And proceed with the following steps. Go with cancel your subscription. After canceling, it will be done. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.